Hello guys! Today we're going to learn all about context clues. Context clues include antonyms, definitions, examples, inference, and synonyms. Good readers use context clues to help them find the meaning of unknown words. Antonyms. The author hints at the meaning by providing a non-example or opposite. Megan was anxious about the test, but Aiden was not worried at all. Take a look at the clue highlighted in red. Definition. The definition of the word is incorporated into the text. Jennifer was lethargic. She did not have enough energy to get out of bed and go to swim practice. Take a look at the clue highlighted in red. Examples. The definition of the word is given in the form of an example. Mila will serve cold beverages such as soda, tea, and juice to the guests. Take a look at the clue highlighted in red. Inference. The reader is able to make an educated guess, use reasoning or background knowledge to determine the meaning of an unknown word. You can speak candidly to Mrs. Smith. She is an affable guidance counselor. Synonyms. The author uses a word having the same or similar meaning to other words in a sentence. Taylor, my best friend, has been a companion to me for many years. Take a look at the clue highlighted in red. How do we use context clues? Step 1. Look at the unfamiliar word, then read the sentence before and after the word. Step 2. Connect what you know with the text. Step 3. Predict a meaning. Step 4. Confirm or revise your prediction. Reread the sentence using your prediction. Now you can practice identifying context clues. Thanks for watching.